Maybe he wants to sleep.
We're at Bobby's house.
Yeah, we're at That's Zebby's first time at Bobby's house.
That's right.
Yeah.
No. He said no.
He's saying, I'm talking to you. I talk.
Zebby.
Oh, that's a good picture.
Oh,
Oh, Zebby.
shh. There you go.
Oh, Zebby. There you go. There you go. Good boy. You're a good boy.
Okay.
No, then, Zebby. He likes to dance.
He loves to dance. Look at him go.
He's quite light on his feet.
Yeah. He is.
Okay, let's take a
Smile.
picture of Rosa, Bobby, and Zebby. Great.
Zebby.
Zebby is 7
Zebby.
weeks. 7 weeks old.
Hi, Bobby.
Today is September 21st, 2010. We're here in San Antonio, Texas. Zebby is visiting Bobby,
Yeah.
his great-grandmother in San Antonio.
Yes.
Mommy Rosa's holding him.
Yeah.
Bob's looking at
Boop.
him. Quite the little guy. Hi, little guy. Hey, everybody, smile.
Hello, Zebby.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, it's spitting up a little bit.